In this part of the practice series, we will use the automation tools available in Lumeer and automate several parts of our workflow. For example, in the key results table, we can set up an attribute function to calculate the progress of key results. We will need to get the starting, current and target values, use blocks from the math category, and create the function to calculate the progress. Now let's focus on the tasks. We want to add a new state of the task called in review to allow reporters to review the tasks before moving them to the completed state. The tasks should be automatically assigned to the reporter if the state changes to the in review state. We can do this by creating a rule, but first let's add the new state to the tasks table. Now we will create the rule. The rule will be triggered on record update, and first we will check if the state of the updated record is in review. If it is, we will change the assignee of the task to the reporter. Let's try it in practice. Here we can see the task of Sherry Copperton, and when we move it to the in review state, the assignee correctly changes to the Anitra Hausen, the reporter on this task. In the last part, we added the cost of work link column to work on tasks link. Currently, the cost of work needs to be entered manually for each record, but that may not be efficient. Instead, we can create a new column in the employees table that will represent the hourly wage of our employees, and then calculate the cost of work as multiplication of the hourly wage and the time spent working. First, let's create the new hourly wage column in the employees table. It will be a number in US dollars. Then we can create the function. We need to get the hourly wage of an employee from the employees table and then the time from the link column. Then we also need to divide the time by 3,600,000 because the time is stored in milliseconds and we need the time in hours for the calculation. Then we just multiply the values and we will get the cost of work. As you can see, it is correctly calculated for all the entries.